आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, so here we have a question. We have to find the area bounded by the curve x equals to minus 2 minus y for y less than 1 minus 1, y cube in between y minus 1 to 1 and 2 minus y is greater than 1 and x equals to 0 is. So basically we have to find the area bounded by these curves. So I'm going to draw the graph first. So this is the axis, let's assume, and we can write this thing on changing variable. I can write this thing as y equals to minus 2 minus x cube. For the simplicity I'm doing this thing. Okay, you can change the variable. Okay, and here it will be x is less than minus 1, minus 1 to 1 for x, and it will be x is greater than 1, and for this condition it will be y equals to 0. Okay, so y equals to 0 line is this, so y equals to 0 is this, and I'm going to draw these lines. So first of all I'm making x cube in between minus 1 to 1. So it is, let's suppose it is 1 and it is minus 1, and x cube graph we already know, so I'm drawing here x cube graph. So x cube graph is something like that, and it is symmetrical to the downside of the y-axis, so I can draw it like that, something like that. Okay, now from here this is my x cube graph. Okay, so I'm writing here it is y equals to x cube. Now for x greater than 1, okay, this should be the graph. So you can see that this is the line with the intercept 2 on the y-axis and minus slope. Okay, so I'm drawing this line, so it will something look like that, something like that. Okay, and I can clearly see that this point should be the my 2. Okay, now I'm matching this point with this. Okay, now this point should be 2. On putting y equals to 0 you will get x equals to 2. Okay, and similar graph for this line. Okay, so I'm drawing this line also. So here you can see minus 2 minus x for x is less than minus 1. Okay, so on putting x equals to 0 you will get y equals to minus 2. So I'm taking minus 2 is something over here, something. Okay, it is my minus 2, and from here I'm going to make the line. So let's suppose I'm making the line from here, and it will be look like something this, because it is with the negative sign, negative slope, and this point should be minus 2. On putting y equals to 0 here I will get x equals to minus 2. Okay, so now we have to find the area bounded by these curves, which is this. Okay, this is the required area, and also we have to find this area. Okay, so this is the complete area we have to find. Now see here, we can find this area by adding this and this area, and then I will twice this. Okay, because we have the symmetry here. Okay, so I'm going to write here required area is equals to integration 0 to 1, 0 to 1. I'm taking my vertical strip, it means dx strip. Okay, and here you can see this is x cube graph. We have to find the area under the x cube graph. Okay, plus we have to find the area from 1 to 2, my area under the 2 minus x graph. Okay, so 2 minus x graph with the vertical strip. Okay, and we have to double this area because we have symmetry in the left hand side. Okay, so I'm going to integrate this thing. So 2 times, hope you already know how to find this integration. This will be x raised to the power 3 plus 1, which will be 4 over 4 limit 0 to 1 plus integration of 2 is 2x minus integration of x is x square by 2, and here it will be 1 to 2. Okay, I'm going to apply the limit, which is simple thing. So upper limit minus lower limit, it will be 1 over 4 minus 0 and plus 2 times 2 is 4 minus 2 square by 2, it will be 2 only, minus upper limit minus lower limit, so it will be 2 minus 1 over 2. Okay, so this should be the final area. I'm writing here, it will be 2, it will be 1 over 4 plus 2 minus this 2 minus 1 over 2 is 3 by 2. Okay, and on solving this, on taking LCM, I can write final answer. So area, my required area will be equals to 2 times, I'm multiplying this 2 inside, so it will be 1 over 2 plus 4 minus 3. Okay, and it will be 1 plus 1 by 2, so it will be 3 by 2 square units. Okay, so this should be the required area of the question. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।